All right, time now for a check of the weather. Meteorologist Marielle Ruiz is here. I want to start with a question. How long has it been since we've seen the sun?
Oh, man.
Forever.
You've put me on the spot. I think I have to count.
It was last week, wasn't it?
Today's Wednesday. Yes, it was last week. Yes, you're right.
Oh, my God. It was so nice to see the sun. I'm sure the car washes will be packed, and the folks out there in many of these communities that got hit have a lot of work to do.
Right.
But the sun is not really indicative of warmth that's coming our way, huh?
Absolutely. You know, the last several days we've been pretty warm, at least for December standards. Well, that's all about to change. We already have cold air sinking into the area. Here's what I need you to know to prepare for the rest of your day. That morning rain is going to end. We're already seeing it clearing from west to east, but some lingering rain still in our eastern counties. It's going to be sunny, it's going to be cool, and it's going to be dry. So yes, it's going to be nice or a nicer day today when we're talking in terms of just the dry weather in place. Tonight, though, it's going to be mostly clear and it's going to be cold. I'm saying cold compared to the last several mornings. And then this weekend, we're looking at partly sunny skies. It'll be cool, and it's also going to stay dry. That morning rain I've been telling you about. It's already clearing out. We already see that rain really in a line from Paris, Sulphur Springs, Mineola to the east. I'm expecting the cloud cover to continue to clear throughout the remainder of the day as well. Look at the difference in our temperatures right now. 44 degrees in Archer City, about 44 in Bowie and in Decatur, 45 in Denton, 55 in Dallas. Big temperature difference by 10 degrees between Denton and Dallas. You may need a coat in one county, you may not need it in the other county, but that cold air, it's all sinking towards the south. We can see here in Denton County how some of that cloud cover just drastically changes. It's because of that cold air moving in. And in Dallas, we're looking at that cloud cover clearing. Temperature right now at DFW, 51 degrees. So definitely seeing that temperature drop across the area. So I think we still warm up a few degrees. I think the sunshine helps out a little bit, but not by much. We make it into the upper 50s for this afternoon. Winds out of the north and west, breezy at times, but I think for the most part we see that calm, the calm skies. Temperature of 58 in Dallas, 57 in Fort Worth, 56 in Denton. We'll notice that that cloud cover clears from west to east. And what I want you to see here is that cold air moves in, this moisture is moving out, and that moisture is getting pushed into portions of the southeast where unfortunately we do see the ongoing severe weather threat, tornado warnings that I'm being seen there across portions of Louisiana and Mississippi, and that's really going to be a focal point for the strong to severe storms later today. So it's that same line that causes severe weather for us. It continues to progress towards the east. We'll notice that kind of clearing from west to east, but it's not the only damage it's doing. If you look to the north, the northern half of the system is actually causing quite a bit of snowfall across the northern central plains. We're seeing some heavy snowpack, too, across portions of Minnesota. There, we're looking at winter storm warnings, even blizzard warnings for portions of Nebraska, South Dakota, and Wyoming. So this is a massive system across the area. Temperatures are in the mid-30s for tomorrow morning. Quite a bit different from this morning. It may be a shock to the system. Just be sure to have those coats ready. Temperatures are climbing, but not as much, into the 50s on Thursday. On Friday, we're going to struggle to get out of the 40s, 50 degrees Saturday, 53 on Sunday. Our next round of potential rain comes late Sunday into Monday. But look at next week. A significant push of cold air moves in. We're talking highs in the 40s. And that's not a typo next Friday. It does look like we'll struggle to leave the 30s come Friday. So be sure to stay tuned as we get closer to that Christmas Eve, Christmas Day time frame. We could be talking about a pretty cold one, Jason.
Ooh, December weather is here. Marielle, thank you so much.